I'm going to show you how to really quickly check your power steering fluid in your 1.8 liter 4-cylinder Toyota engine. They put these in Toyota Corollas, Toyota Matrix, Chevy Prizms, and so on. This is an 8th gen Toyota Corolla. So you're looking at the engine, right? You open your hood and you want to look over to here. It's not this one. This is your windshield wiper fluid. You want to go to this one right here. So you wipe off the top and you'll see it says power steering fluid. Okay. Now it's common with Toyotas that they recommend using what's called Dexron, Dexron type ATF, which is automatic transmission fluid. So don't be confused, but a lot of Toyota power steering systems recommend using this type of automatic transmission fluid. So that's what I do, and I recommend it, but make sure it's Dexron type, okay? To check it, it's just a cap, so grab a rag. You're gonna turn counterclockwise. So you're gonna open your cap, and there's gonna be a little dipstick, okay? And you just wanna make sure that you have fluid on that dipstick, okay? So you can go ahead and add if you need to, if you're low, and then screw your cap back on clockwise and make sure it's totally on. So on the side of the reservoir, you have markings. So this half of the reservoir is hot. This half of the reservoir markings is cold. So if your engine's cold, you want to be sitting right in between these two marks. If your engine's hot, you want to be sitting right in between these two marks here. So hope that helps. Leave any questions or comments down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll try to answer any questions. Thanks for watching. See ya.